Right, right. So we got the whole room, y'all. Everybody here having a good time, shooting a whole bunch of guns. We got Nam over here doing this thing. Oh, that's that one y'all seen online, y'all. Yeah. That's it right there. The 8-shot double capper.
I'm gonna load it for you. I'm gonna have you on there shooting.
All right. So y'all can see the variety of bullets and different things we got cracking over here. People learning how to shoot, seeing what it takes. We got Latanya Hendricks over here. We got different things going on. Every lane got its own instructor.
Yeah, I should have brought mine.
Feel lucky enough? So we out here showing people what's going on. Everybody learning. How you like it?
It's gonna be my new one.
That's what I'm talking about. I love hearing that.
Yeah, of course. You can actually know what you're doing, you know?
No, at the time, I know. You know, I know. I like those too.
You know, we having conversations on the side and stuff. I'm just saying.
We talking about
Targets.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's gun conversation.
What you drinking there? What you drinking?
Oh, little Dutch brothers called the Kicker.
Oh, little Dutch
That's
brothers.
what that
Little Dutch brothers and shooting ain't nothing never wrong with that.
Yeah, I like this.
Remember. So, Bay Area Gun Club. This is what it's all about. As y'all can see, there's 3 rooms. So this is another room, and then there's another room over there. So we got this whole room taken up, y'all. This is all Bag C right here. So we gonna put together more range trips for everybody, so everybody can come out and have some fun and learn how to shoot.